Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change desktop app icons in Windows. So let's do that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to right click on the app icon I want to change. Let's say I want to change this let's see. Let me change this one, recycle bin. Right click on it and then you're going to click on properties. Select properties. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to access the shortcut tab. Oh, it seems this one doesn't have it. So let's try another one that we can change the icon for. Let's see, let's try this PC. Properties. So we can do that for this either. So we have a few we can change. Let's try VLC then. Right click, then we select properties. So you can see the shortcut tab here. And next thing I'm going to do is, as you can see, it's not all that you can change. Next thing I'm going to click on change icon. Wonderful. Change icons over here. Click on it. As you can see, we'll be given the various icons you can use. I only have one, which means I can't change this particular one, but there should be one I should be able to change. Let's try this one. Whoa, delete? Nope, sorry about that. There's no properties for this one. Let's try this. Properties, change icon. No other icon I can change it to. Seriously, this is getting frustrating. Let's try this. Right click, properties, change icon. Wonderful. Alright, we have different icons for it. So you can just pick the one you want. Let's say I want to use this one. Click on OK. You can see this is what it was before up here. See it here? So I'm changing it now. So click on apply. And then click on OK. I know it cannot be found. I'm using something that actually doesn't exist right now. So let me use something that actually does exist. Let's see control. You can do it for control. Let's see network. Okay, we can do it for network. Let's do that again. Properties. There are just some things that are just not touchable. What I say. Let's see Google Chrome. Properties. Yeah, change icon. We have one. We have a winner. We can say I want to use this one. Click on OK. Click on apply. Continue. OK. It's changed. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.